Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to blur contacts' photos in WhatsApp Web. Follow these simple steps to enhance your privacy while using WhatsApp Web. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Type www.web plus for WhatsApp in the search bar. Step 3. Click on the Google Chrome link. Step 4. Download the extension. Step 5. Open WhatsApp. Step 6. Click on the extension from the toolbar. Step 7. When it opens, go to the Enhancement tab and in the Privacy section, check the box next to Blur Contacts Photos. By following these steps, you can ensure that the profile pictures of your contacts are blurred in your WhatsApp web chats. This adds an extra layer of privacy and keeps your conversations more secure. With this feature enabled, you can communicate with peace of mind, knowing that your contacts' photos are not easily visible to anyone around you. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp web tips and tricks. Stay connected and keep your conversations private.